so there are lots of different ways to find products that are trending. You're going to want to look at products that people are already searching for, or products that really relate to people's lives right now. So I'm going to show you a few different platforms. One of the ways to do this is with Google Trends. So you can see here, you can explore what the world is searching, and you can do this either by topic, or you can see what's trending right now. So anything to do with Taylor Swift and Kim Kardashian, maybe an outfit that they're wearing, anything to do with the World Cup. A lot of football is happening, so that can really give you some good ideas. You can also see where in the world people are searching for these topics, so you can focus your advertising in one place. The next thing you can do is use social platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You can find trending pages and look at what they are advertising, and then you can see what people are liking, such as jewelry and shoes. Or if you want to make it more simple, I would really advise trying out Salesforce, because it's a data-driven platform which shows you exactly what products are selling right now, and it actually rates them and analyzes them itself. It finds the lowest cost supplier as well as the fastest shipping time and all of that. Right, I'm going to just show you how it works. Right, so I'm going to be using Salesforce, Shopify and AliExpress to find 3 winning products. It is August 2021 and I want to find 3 products for this month, and I'm going to show you how I would go about it. So here we are on the dashboard, and I'm going to go across to the sidebar. And the first thing I'm going to do is go onto Shopify products. And here we can select how we want to list them. And I think one big tell is how recently a product has sold. So I'm going to go down here to the most recently sold. And instantly I'm drawn to these denim joggers, because not only has it sold very recently, it's also number 2 in the bestseller position, which means it's the second most popular item in this seller's store. We can then import this product directly to Shopify, but I'm not quite sure yet. So what I'm going to do is analyze this product. Right, so here we are with the denim joggers in dark blue, and we can see that their last sale was 4 hours ago, and it was published 3 years ago, so this seems to be a constant seller. I saw that before this there was a sale 9 hours ago, so it seems that every 5 hours there's a sale. Okay, so one good tell is how well the store is doing. So if this is the store's second best-selling product, let's hope that the store is making money. So we go across to Zane Robe. All right, okay. So yes, they are making a lot of money. They are making $5 to $9 million in revenue per year. They have 8 million eyes on their website each month. They have 1,365 products in their store, and they have their average order value is $67. So we can see their traffic. They are peaking this May, and if we go to their products, we can see this is their second best-selling item, which sold 4 hours ago. We can see their Shopify theme, and we can see what apps they're using. So this looks like a very, very good product to sell. So what I'm going to do next is check out the product itself on their website. Cool. So we can see that they are available in lots of different colors. we can see that they're being sold for £87. So we would need to see how much we can buy them for, and see what kind of profit we'll be making. But yes, here they are. Now, if I go ahead and analyze this product, cool. So here we'll have a list of all of their different suppliers. So the most similar products that SalesSource can find. We can see that $43,000 have been spent on this item and 2.4 thousand orders. So that is quite a lot. We can buy them for the average of $20 and sell them for the average of $93. So we can make about $70 in profit. Right. So we can order the products by the price or by the total number of orders, just like this. So these actually look quite similar, the denim ones. And yeah, we can buy these for from £7 to £9, and then we can obviously sell them for a lot more. Cool. So these would be my first products that I would sell this August 2021, and I found them in the record time of 5 minutes because all the work has pretty much been done for me. Now I'm going to go on to my second method and find my second product. Let's go. Right, so here we are back at Shopify Products. And what I'm going to do this time is look for the newest products. So I'm going to look at which products have been launched the most recently. So first I looked at which product was sold the most recently. Now I want to be first in the game. I want to see which were launched the most recently. So let's go on to the newest first. And what I'm looking for is a product in a high best-selling position. So 38 is not bad. And one that was launched in the last 5 hours. So I'm actually looking at the first product on this list. This is a 5-piece reusable metal straw pack, and that really sits well with me. It's good for the environment. It's something that now that bars are opening up, that a lot of people could be using. So this was launched 2 hours ago, and it's already in the 38th position, which will be interesting depending on how many products the store has. So let's take a look. So it was updated and sold 36 minutes ago. It was launched 2 hours ago and sold 36 minutes ago. So that's pretty fast, if you ask me. They also have a lot of different colors and images. So it was a very fun and vibrant product, very now, if you think about the environment. So let's take a look at the store. Valvida. Okay, so this store is making $43,000 to $154,000 per month. That's really great. So they have 261 products. This is number 38. So the 38th best-selling product out of 261, and it was only launched 2 hours ago. So for me, that's a good sign. They have 860,000 people in their store. And here are a few more of their products if you want to see if it's something that would fit well within your niche. I'm going to take a more of a look at the product itself. So they're selling it for $12.99. Now I'm going to analyze the product. I can import it to my store. Normally I would be like, hell yeah, get this into my store right now. But for the purpose of this video, let's analyze it. Right, so on the website, they're selling it for $12.99. And I can see here we can get this product for about $5. So what's happening right now is SalesSource is comparing suppliers. So we're getting it for the best price and from the most trusted sellers. You can tell if a seller is trusted by looking at the amount of orders they have. So
For example, this seller has had 9,158 orders, which is a lot, and they're selling it for $5. So I'm making almost double in profit. I can see which stores are selling the product. I can look at the videos, which I can use for my own store. So that's a lot of work done for me. Brilliant. And then you can look at the marketing. So you can actually look at product related keywords, and you can copy the tags here to add into your own Facebook campaigns. Right, so now I'm going to go onto this supplier right here. So here I'll also be able to download images, but I'll be able to extract a lot more data from AliExpress. So this seller has 2,641 4.9 star reviews. So I would trust this seller to get the product to my customers safely and as seen in the images. The other thing I can do is look at the product reviews. I can use these reviews and these product images for my own store. I would also be able to look at other things such as the summary, when it sells the best, as well as which countries it sells the best in. Ukraine, Chile, Poland. I wouldn't have thought of these before. So I am now ready to import this into my store. I could go back to the product and then add it straight to my Shopify. Whew. Okay, guys. Just over 10 minutes into the product analysis, and I have already found 2 products and I'm on to my third. So what I'm going to do next is go back along the sidebar and go onto AliExpress suppliers. I just want to show you all the ways that you can use Salesforce to find products. And this is just one of the many. So we have seen Shopify products that were launched the soonest. We've seen Shopify products which have made the last sale. So now on AliExpress, we have all of these options on how to order the products. So what I think I will do for this one is, I think it could be very interesting to see the orders high to low, so we can see which products have sold the most in general. I guess then we would be able to see when the last order was. So this is interesting, but I tend not to go for electricals just because there can be a lot of faults. It tends to be more risky than other products. But let's take a look at this, because it goes with my theme right now. I've got some trousers and now I'm going to have some shoe elastics to go with it. So this is the little thing you put on your laces instead of tying them. And this has had 241,000 orders. So it means it's very popular and a lot of people are buying it. Let's take a look. So if we look at this product, we have the video here. Yeah. And we'd be able to download any of these product images. And from here, I would want a little bit more detail. I want some more data on this product. Again, we can look at which countries it's the most popular in. There we go. And then we can also look at reviews. And again, I can use these product images for my own store. And it overall has had 5-star and 4-star reviews. So this is very promising. And again, I would trust the seller and I would trust this product. Right, let's go deeper into some product analysis. So, okay, let's see. So $4,000 have been spent on this item with 227 sales. And this is the average supplier price. Not quite true, because these were being sold for 33 cents to £1.17. Right, so the next thing we'll do is look at the Shopify products. So in AliExpress store, they're being sold for $6. We can look at the Shopify stores that are selling them. We can see how well they're doing. These guys have 133,000 eyes on their store each month. These guys have 5,000 on their store each month. But the one that has stood out to me the most is this one just here. And they're selling it for $9. So you're making like 4 times the amount that you're buying it for. So let's check out the shop again. Yeah, so these guys are making between $18,000 and $30,000 a month. The name is similar to the one before, so I wonder if that's a new store that they've just created. But yeah, I think seeing this and that they have launched the product 9 months ago, I would definitely be intrigued to see how I can sell it. So they're having a real peak in their traffic right now. I can look at the other products for inspiration, but right now I am happy. I am happy with this product. And from this bottom bar here, I can import it to my store using Oberlo.
There you go. So that would be my full product analysis. You can follow these same steps for any product that you choose to sell. If you guys do follow these steps, I would love to hear from you in the comments below and hear how you get on. And if you have any questions, pop them below and I'll answer them.